package for my Tercel came in today from Techno Toy Tuning, and we're going to do a kind of a brief unboxing of it. I've been in here because I had to check something, but everything else is still sealed. So this and this were not part of the package, but I bought them separately for the rear shocks. They are mounts. So we've got one shock, two shocks. I think that's all about all I know. It's in here without unpacking it. No idea what those are. I believe these are for the coilovers or the rings. And these are the fronts, either steel pipe or it's the actual shock. I think they're just the pipe. Awesome decal. That will go on the car. It's front springs from Hyperco. That's a hard word to say. And the front cartridges. Cool. I'm gonna unpack it and go from there. Alright. I've opened about half of everything. You know, there's not really any point to do everything, but so this is the coilover. The coil and the part that goes onto the tube. Sorry if I don't know my words too well here. These are the perches that you weld onto this pipe. This pipe is threaded. This is the camber plate. This is the swivel hat. This is going to be the rear shock. And if we look, so this is called T-bar mounts from QA1. I got to do a little bit of modification for it to fit here, because these QA1 T-bars are meant for QA1 shocks, not, you know, Takico. So I got to modify these a little bit to make them work. This is the front cartridge insert, and that's the hardware for it. So yeah, I can't wait till this is all installed.